Anthropic's Claude AI, a competitor to ChatGPT that has been surging in popularity worldwide, experienced a wave of elevated errors and service disruptions on March 2nd, frustrating users from Asia to Europe and Africa. This wasn't a brief hiccup, but it affected the Claude website, mobile app, login systems, and even developer tools like Claude. Users trying to access the service were greeted with error messages, slow responses, timeouts, and temporary outages, leaving thousands unable to log in or use Claude normally. Anthropic's own status page flagged the issue as elevated errors, indicating broad performance problems across multiple platforms, and engineers began investigating immediately. The core application programming interface or API remained operational, meaning developers integrating Claude into apps may not have been affected, but regular users relying on Claude AI and the login systems definitely were. Later, the company confirmed the issues were resolved, and Claude was back up and running, thanking users for their patience as the team dealt with unprecedented demand. So why did this outage hit now? Well, because Claude's popularity has exploded in recent days, especially in the United States, where it vaulted to the #1 free app on the Apple App Store, overtaking rivals like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, according to an CNBC report. That surge in interest didn't come out of nowhere. It followed a high-profile dispute between Anthropic and the US government. President Donald Trump last week ordered all federal agencies to stop using Claude's AI tools, even labeling the company a radical left threat over ethical restrictions on military use. The Defense Department also labeled Anthropic a supply chain risk and set a 6-month phase-out period for its use. Anthropic, for its part, has resisted giving unrestricted access, arguing that its technology should never be used for mass surveillance or fully autonomous weapons with no human oversight. In response, many users rallied behind Claude, boosting downloads, daily signups, and even paid subscriptions. But popularity can be a double-edged sword. With so many new users flooding in, the infrastructure that powers Claude came under unusual strain. In systems like this, millions of simultaneous requests can overwhelm load balancers, login authentication paths, and web interfaces, leading to exactly the kinds of elevated errors we saw this week. And because Claude is being used for more than casual chats, developers, coders, businesses, and even military apps integrate its engines, any disruption becomes magnified. We will continue to track this story, but do let us know your thoughts on if AI has become a bigger part of our everyday lives than needed. For more such videos, stay tuned to Mint.